Look, we've all been there. You find a killer AI video tool, you make 3 clips, and boom, you're out of credits and staring at a $30 a month subscription. Well, what if I told you that Google just handed the keys to the kingdom? Today, we're using Google Opal to build our own private, unlimited video animation app. No credits, no daily limits, and 0 coding. Build it once, we keep it forever. One build, infinite videos. This is AI Builds with me, Rich B. So let's get to work. So before we touch the keyboard, here's the play. Google Opal is essentially a sandbox for the most powerful AI models. By building a simple app inside it, we bypass the restrictive use interfaces of other tools. Our app is going to handle image to video transformations, custom animation logic, full HD downloads without that annoying watermark. So pretty much everything that's required for content creation. All right, so open up your browser and head over to the Google for Developers portal for Opal. Simply type Google Opal, and there you go. It's going to ask you to sign in. Just use your standard Google account. It's all under the same rule. And once you're in, you'll see the Try It Now button. Click that. You're now inside the engine. Hit Create New Project. Now, don't let the developer branding scare you. You don't need to write a single line of Python or any sort of code. Look for the Create App or Prompt to App field, which is right here. Describe what you want to build. I've dropped a master prompt in the description of this video. Copy that, paste it into the box, and hit generate. Simple as that. We're going to copy this whole thing, and then we're going to paste it here. Simply click run. You got to watch the screen. Opal is literally assembling the UI, the buttons, the upload fields, video player, all based on that one prompt. In about 30 seconds or a minute, you've gone from a blank screen to a functional AI video studio. It's that easy. And now we got to see if this thing actually breathes. So as you can see, it's already ready here. Yeah, Animation Studio, the name of our app. And then you see toggle button here. So it's editor and then app. So we're going to click on app and then we'll simply click on start. Now we got to give it an image. Upload an image from our device. So the other day we generated an image. We're going to use the same one. And then simply click submit. Now we got to tell the AI what to do. Don't just say animate. Say, whatever you want the image to be about. For example, here, a person walking in a city street cinematic. So you got to be specific with the prompt for the animation. And then you simply click submit. There you go. Hit that button. Since you're using the API backend through Opal, the rendering is often faster than the public tool. So we're going to have to wait. It says it's analyzing the reference image and defining the approach. Okay, so once the video pops up, as you can see, you can check the quality. Check the quality. It is just outstanding. No watermarks, pure pixels. You can simply go ahead and click the 3 dots, hit download, and you're ready for the edit. Here's the Rich B alpha move. Pin this tab or bookmark it so that if you leave it pinned, your app stays active. You don't have to rebuild it tomorrow. You just wake up, upload, and create. It's your own personal production house. In case you get stuck due to some sort of limit, all you got to do is repeat the same process to create another app using Google Opal. Most people are waiting for an invite to some new AI tool. Builders don't wait for it. We just make our own. Google Opal is currently one of the best kept secrets for creators. So get in there and start building before the rest of the world catches on. If this saved you a subscription fee today, do me a favor. Please hit that like button and subscribe to AI Builds with Rich B. I'll see you in the next build. Stay sharp.